So now we're going to speed the tempo up a little bit and do the ragtime swing. So we commence this one in double hold facing our partner. Gentleman on the left foot, lady on the right foot. We're going to dance 2-step kicks. Step, kick, step, kick. We're going to dance 2 chassis now, one to the gentleman's left and one to the gentleman's right. Chassis in, chassis out. Now we're going to release the gent's left hand, lady's right hand, and dance down the room 2-step points. Step, point, step, point. We're now dancing an open turn, gentleman to his left, lady to her right. We will end up facing against the line of dance with our feet having closed together. So turn, 2, 3, close, and we've joined gentleman's left hand to lady's right hand. We now dance gentleman on his right, lady on her left, moving against the line of dance, 2 lock steps. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step. We're now going to dance a reverse ronde, which is a swinging through circling movement so that the gent's right and lady's left leg swings round and comes right through the middle. Swing, round, and a step and point. Step, point. And as you can see, we've adopted double hold. We're now going to release the gentleman's left hand, lady's right hand, and dance 2 forward walks, a backward walk, and a step to the side, so we will end facing our partner. Forward, forward, back, side. We're now going to dance rotary chassis, which remember your chassis is side, close, side, but this time we're turning to the left as we do it and adopting ballroom hold. Side, close, side, close, side, and we're commencing to move to double hold to start the dance again. So now we're going to dance the whole 16 bars of the ragtime swing now without stopping. So in your double hold, gent left, lady right, we have step, kick, chassis down, chassis back, step, point, step, spin to face the wrong way, gent right, lady left, locks, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, ronde right through the middle, step, point, forward, forward, face your partner, chassis round, quick, quick, slow.